Welcome back to All in Gardening. I have my 54 mini grow bags filled with soil now, and I took a bunch of cuttings. I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough for all of them, but I've got the edges cut, and I'm going to put them in rooting powder. I have some root boost powder. I'll put the extra cutting in, and I'm going to stick it right into the soil as far down as I can. Some of these were just leaves cut. Well, we might need an extra trim just to the ends here. A couple extra leaves can be taken off. Just put them in the soil or in the rooting powder. Push it into the soil and then press it down. Some of them are a little thicker. I'm not sure what's going to happen with them. I think that one probably could have gone. I'm going to cut that one a little shorter because we want to have the leaf nodes in the powder, more in the powder. So I'll trim that one up. But some of them are just going to be stems, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. I did have success with just the ones rooting in water, so I'm hoping these will be okay as well. This one, I'll take off this leaf. I'm not sure if just a plain leaf will root. I might try a couple just for the sake of saying I tried it. Just be a piece of hard packed soil there. That one doesn't want to go in very far. On the edge. One thing you want to remember with rooting powder, you don't want to breathe it in. You want to make sure you wash your hands well after you're done with it. Some of these are a little woodier than the others. It's all going to be an experiment. Like I said, I did get the ones rooted yesterday. I found a bunch rooted yesterday that I had just done in soil without a rooting compounds. Maybe we'll see what happens with these guys. And these little grow bags, they're actually quite nice. They're a little bigger than your regular cell pack. First time using them, so I will see what transpires with them as well. This year is this year's going to be a learning year because I'm trying a lot of things I've never done before. If you know it's possible to root these things, I am going to do as many as I possibly can. I've already had some spoken for. Oh, that stuff kind of went everywhere. Whoops. That one should root well. Yeah, don't do what I just did. Make sure you do the cutting before you put the hormone on. Pull off some of, I'm not sure if you can see what I'm doing. Pull off some of the leaves. Putting them down as far in the soil as I can get them. I took the cuttings off the same plants 3 weeks ago, so I've got some new growth happening. And I've also taken some of the woodier stems as well, so I'm not sure what's gonna transpire with them. I look at it this way: if I even get half of what I put in the powder, or what I put in the bags or in the mini grow bags, I think I've had success. Not every single one is going to root, and I'm aware of that. But once I'm done with these, I will tamp the soil down around it and give them a good watering. But I will continue on with this, and I will be back to let you know how many I ended up getting. Okay, so I'm finished putting the cuttings into the soil, and I got 44 of them. Some of them I just used basically sticks. I'm not sure how well that's going to go, but I look at it this way: if I can get even half, and I see some of them are starting to melt, so I'm going to give them water, and then I'm going to put them inside this plastic bag to keep up the humidity, and I will put them in my office where there's lots of light. And it's nice and warm in there during the day, so they should do okay. As for these extra bags, I'll find something else to put in them. I might plant some seeds or take some cuttings from some house plants. I'm not quite sure yet. So yes, thank you for watching, and let me know if you have ever tried citronella cuttings this way, or if you ever use these grow bags. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like. It would be great to hear your input. Thanks again, and thanks for watching.